We've got Dylan Tay who's joining us here this morning. But Dylan, we were just talking earlier because you told me this is a listing that has been 941 days in the making. So really an incredible effort.
Thank you.
What's your reaction? And I'm also interested in why you chose to go public at this point in Hong Kong.
Yeah, I think this is a pivotal moment for our company because we are growing from a regional company to an international company. So to choose listing right now, we really want to build our international brand and to be an international company with transparency, corporate governance, so that we can reach out to new markets and also serve consumers and merchants all over the world.
Yeah, so it makes sense, I guess, from a transparency when you are going into those new areas. But let's talk about China, because just the ticker alone, so 15, 19, so 15 the year you were established in Indonesia, 19 the year that you decide, 2019, to go into China. That is an incredibly significant market for you there. How are you planning to expand your market share in the country?
I think we are partnering with all the biggest e-commerce platform because we are a partner neutral and e-commerce delivery company, and we actually serve all the e-commerce players there. And as you know, the China market is huge and it's still growing at a very strong double digit year on year, and we are gaining a lot of the incremental volumes from the market growth. At the same time, we are also touching on more customers from different segments, such as corporates and even individuals. Those are going to propel us into the future. Yeah.
So when it comes to the China market, because you have followed quite an aggressive pricing strategy there, what have you learned out of that pricing strategy and how sustainable do you think it is?
So I think we did enter into China with a flexible pricing strategy, but over time we have adapted. And I think over time it is important for us to balance both the scale as well as our pricing. So I think we are now growing not just in pricing, but also in scale. As you can see in the first half, actually we have achieved EBITDA positive for the whole group, and China has actually now trending towards profitability. So we are very excited about that.
Trending toward profitability, because Southeast Asia is where you actually are profitable. The other markets not profitable just yet. Yes. So when do you see yourself going into the black in those areas?
I think we'll be profitable for this year. For China already.
2023.
So 2023, yes, yes. In fact, the first 9 months have been very solid, and we are heading to a very solid fourth quarter as well.
Okay, Middle East and South America, they're the other two big markets that you're looking at.
Yes.
What are you expecting in those regions?
I think for those regions, we are having very good traction. I think we are already the first few runners in those countries. We are growing very fast. Building on our partner neutral strategy. We're serving all the Asian e-commerce platforms. We're active in those markets, as well as serving those local platforms locally as well. So I think we will be trending towards profitability maybe next year or two. Yeah.
Okay, so 2024, 2025.
That's right.
I want to also talk about the Indonesia unit that you have, because there is some concern perhaps you could have breached the local laws there, given the ownership structure. It is majority owned or 100% owned by J&T Global. Are you concerned about that?
I think we have disclosed all of the structure very transparently in our listing documents, and I think we are definitely going to comply with whatever rules and regulations out there, and I think we are very positive that we will continue to work our way for all the structures and working with all the authorities. Yeah.
So what sort of conversations are you having with regulators in Indonesia to ensure that you meet those laws?
Yes, we are definitely having dialogues with them, and I think we will continue to make sure that we comply. As mentioned, we have disclosed all the structures in our prospectus. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There are other logistics companies that are coming to market as well in Hong Kong. So today your listing is really important for the likes of Alibaba's China, for instance. How do you see yourself competing with the likes of that company?
Actually, logistics sector is a very big sector. I think all of us specialize in different things. I think for us, we specialize in last mile delivery networks, and we have 13 delivery networks, 7 in Southeast Asia and China, and then the 5 in the new markets, LATAM and MENA that you talk about. So I think our strength is really to serve the consumers as well as the merchants locally, and really connecting the merchants to the consumers and providing highly efficient logistics services. So that's our forte. So we will continue to build on those forte in delivering values in this market. We work with SF and China a lot in the various parts of our business.